Good morning, students. Take out your English literature book and I'll teach you the first chapter. Noise saves a whale. Whale, it is a type of sea animal. Okay. Noah and his father lived on an island. Their house was very close to the sea. Noah's father was a fisherman. Every day he left early for a long day's work on his fishing boat and came back home only after dark. Noah lives on an island. What is an island, children? A piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. That means on all the four sides. It is an island. This island word you will come across your SST subject, and you can see the picture also of an island. Noah and his father lived on an island. Their house was close to the sea. Noah's father was a fisherman and he spent most of his time near the sea. Since he was a fisherman, he spent most of his time near the sea. That means Noah was all alone at home. One night, a great storm raged around their house. In the morning, Noah went down to the beach to see what had been left behind by the storm. As he walked along the seashore, he spotted something in the distance. What's that? He asked himself. Now, children, one night a great storm came. There was a great storm, and you know, when the storms come, what happens? Everything get hit either here and there. Everything gets here and there. So that was a very violent storm, and this storm always comes near the sea. Noah was used to of this storm. In the morning, when everything was quiet, Noah went to the seashore to see what the storm has left behind. Okay. He saw something, and what he saw something, and he asked himself, what's that? Okay. When he got closer, Noah could not believe his eyes. Oh my, that's a baby whale, he exclaimed. A little whale was lying on the beach. It must have been washed up because of the storm, Noah thought. When he went closer, he saw a huge thing. When he went closer to that thing, he saw it was a baby whale. He came to know that this baby whale must have been washed away by the storm. He wondered what he could do to help the whale. He knew that it wasn't good for a whale to be out of the water, as it could not survive on land for long. Children, many animals which live in water, they cannot survive on land for a long time. So, whale was also one of them. Whale can come to the land, but it can't live for a long hours on the land. So Noah thought that if this whale will remain on the land, then it will die. He began to think of a plan that how to send this whale again in the sea. Now let's see what Noah does. Just then Noah remembered something. He ran home and got a bucket. He filled the bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the whale. Noah had once read that if a whale is washed ashore, one would pour cold water on it. Now, children, Noah did not want that this whale should die. He wanted that this whale should live. So what he did, in order to make him survive, he went to his house, brought one bucket, and from that bucket he took out water from the sea and he poured that water on the whale, so that the whale could again go into the sea. When the whale will alive, the whale will again go to the sea. But Noah, every time he was putting cold water on it, but no response the whale showed to him. Now I must be quick, he thought. He ran home again and brought back his pull cart. With much difficulty he lifted the whale and put it in the cart. Now, children, Noah thought that this whale is not moving. So what he did, children? What he did, children? He went back again. He went back home again, and he brought his cart. He brought his cart, which has a wheel on that, and with all his strength, with all his energy, he pushed the whale onto that cart. Once he was home, he filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale in it. Now, children, he brought that cart. In the picture you can see that how Noah is pulling the cart with a whale on it, and once he has brought this cart to his home, he filled his bathtub with the water and he put the whale on it. I hope I have done enough to save the whale, Noah thought hopefully. Noah thought that I have done a good thing and now I can save the whale. Noah did everything to make the whale feel at home. He told the whale stories about his life by the sea with his father. He thought that his new friend was an excellent listener. Now, children, you know that if we are scared of the animals, then animals are also scared by us. If we are scared by the animals, then animals are also scared by us. So Noah thought that the whale is scared of him. So he did everything to comfort him, that don't be scared, I will not harm you. Every time he was spending his time with the whale, talking to him, telling him the stories about the whale which his father told or which he experienced from the sea. Whatever he has experienced from the sea, he was telling to this whale. And he thought that whale is listening to his stories. But when it became dark and the night drew in, Noah got worried. Father will be angry with me for bringing a whale inside the house. Children, Noah, he was scared of his father, that his father will scold him because he has brought a whale inside his home, inside his house without any permission. When his father returned, Noah did not tell him anything at first. He managed to keep his secret the whole evening. He managed to sneak in some supper for the whale, but he knew he would not be able to keep his secret for long, and he was right. Now, children, when Noah's father returned from the sea, then Noah did not he did not tell him anything. He tried to keep the secret. He did not tell him anything, but he knew that he can't hide this from his father for a long time. And in fact, he took some of the food for the whale also. He gave some of the food to the whale also to eat. And he thought that I can't hide this secret from my father, and it was true also. After supper, Noah's father went upstairs and saw the whale. Then Noah had to tell his father everything, but his father wasn't angry. So Noah said, "Can we please keep the baby whale, father? It's the only friend I have now. I'll take great care of it." Now, children, after dinner, father went upstairs for a walk. People go for walk after dinner. So after dinner, Noah's father also went for walk upstairs. When he went upstairs, he saw a whale there. Then whatever has happened in the morning time, whatever event took place in the morning time, Noah said to his father. His father didn't become angry. He told that he has done a good thing. But Noah asked that, "Father, can I keep this baby whale as my friend? And I want to play with this baby whale. Can I keep this baby whale at home? Because I am all alone at home. So, Father, can I keep this whale inside my home, inside my house?" "I have been so busy, Noah. I never realized that you were so lonely," said Noah's father sadly. "I am so happy and proud of you for helping this little whale. But you see, Noah, it must be missing his family. We must take it back to the sea, to the place where it belongs," he added. Now, father patted Noah and said that he has done a good thing. Father also said that he was so busy in his work that he never realized that Noah was all alone at home. Father told that he was so sorry that he was so busy in his work that he never realized that Noah was all alone at home. He comforted Noah that this baby whale must be missing his family, and this house is not his family. The family of the whale is the sea. So he told Noah that he will put back this whale inside the sea. Noah and his father put the whale in a motor boat and rowed out into the dark sea. Then they put the whale back into the sea water. Noah knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye. However, he was glad his father was there with him. Now, children, what happened? Noah and his father brought a water boat. It is water boat. What is water boat, children? Water boat is a boat which is found on the sea. Okay. Often people go from one place to another on this water boat. So Noah's father brought this water boat. He put the whale on the water boat. Then he sailed this water boat on the sea. Sailed this water boat on the sea with the whale on it. And then at that night only, the same night he did the same thing. All things he did. He put the whale back into the sea. It was hard to say goodbye to that whale, that baby whale. Noah was sad also to say him goodbye, but He was happy that his father was there with him. His father has helped him in doing all this. Okay. Noah often thought about the storm whale and wondered how big it would become one day. He hoped that soon one day he would see his friend again. Now children, Noah often thought that a storm whale. Storm whale means the storm which has brought the whale to the seashore. So Noah always thought about that whale, that storm which had brought the whale near the sea, and he was also thinking that time it was baby and now it must have become so huge. Okay, and he is eager to meet his friend again. Completed children's story. I hope you must have understood. Now in summary again, I am going to tell you about this story in short now. It is Noah saves a whale. How Noah saves a whale? Noah was living with his father on the island. Noah's father was a fisherman and his father spent most of his time on the sea. So Noah was all alone at home. One day there was a violent storm one night. One night there was a violent storm. In the morning, Noah went near the seashore to see what storm has brought with himself. Noah saw that there was a baby whale. He felt pity on that baby whale. He wanted that this baby whale should be alive. So what he did, he went back to his house, brought a bucket, and he poured many buckets of water from the sea over the whale so that the whale shows any type of movement. But the whale did not show any movement. Then again he went to his house and he brought a cart. Anyhow, Noah was able to put this baby whale on the cart. He pulled the cart to his house. Now from that cart, he put the baby whale into his bathtub and filled the bathtub with the water. He was knowing that if this whale will live on land for a long hours, the whale will die. So every time he tried to put the whale into the water. He poured water near the sea, and again when he brought the whale to his house, what he did, he put the whale in the bathtub and which was filled with water. Whale was scared also, but Noah comforted him that he will not give any harm to this whale. And he told several stories of the whale which he has heard from his father, or whatever things he has seen near the sea. But as time passed away, evening came, and in evening Noah's father came. Firstly, Noah has hidden this secret about the whale. But after dinner, when Noah's father went upstairs, he saw a whale. Noah then told everything to his father, that how he has brought the whale to his house. Noah's father was happy also that he has saved animal, and he also said that this whale must be missing his family. So it is good that he has saved him, that he has saved the whale, but the whale must be missing his family. So the whale must again go to the sea. Noah said that, Father, when you go, I am all alone. I want to make this whale as my friend. I want to play with this whale. But Father told that, no, you can't do this. Then at the same night, Noah's father brought a water boat. He put the whale on that water boat, and then he sailed the water boat in the sea, and he put back the whale in the sea. It was hard to say goodbye to whale for Noah, but on the other hand, Noah knew that he has done a good thing because he has saved the life of the baby whale. Noah, he usually goes near the shore, and he often thinks about this storm whale, and he also thinks that when I have met this baby whale, it was so small, and how large, how huge it must have become now. Okay, children? So, I think you must have enjoyed the story, and in this story there is a moral of this story, that we should not harm any animals. Okay, we should not harm any animals. We should try to become friend of them. Okay, children? So don't beat any animal, or don't kick them. Okay, have a good day, children.